Hello, we are going to learn how to use the newly added tables feature in reports and have an auto expanding or contracting table report. Now to do this, let's have a look at the use case. I have a simple HR table with the name of employees, their roles, their code, and their detailed performance review. Let's load this in a report. New performance I've got all the details, all the items, no grouping. Okay, let's check if our table is working first. Yes. Okay, through the magic of editing, I shall get rid of all the items here quickly. Okay, number one, we will select the table object in the inspector here and we shall drag it right till the end. Select the table object. We will have 4 columns, 1 row, and the stretch mode of this table object is going to be actual height. Okay, now this is the part which I love about tables the most, right? You can just drop in. So we've got code, we've got employee name, we've got role, and we've got a performance review. Let's select performance review by selecting the 4th column which it is in and make its height, make its width say around 8. Okay, I think we have more space. Let's make it 10. Let's make the name which is in table column 2, let's make it 4. Let's check our report. If you will see, each of them is having their own space right now. To get rid of this, we will come to master data 1, click on stretch is false, and that goes away almost. So we've left some space up in this up. If we just drag it completely edge to edge, and now I think our problem should go away. Perfect. So what I did wrong was this was just a bit down, so this space is considered as a part of the table. So whenever it is repeating the space in the on the top. So number one, let's drag it just onto the top. Let's preview this. It's working, but as you see, the reviews are squashed together. Let's work on this. To take care of this, come to table row 1, max height 0, minimum height 0, save it. Table object is actual height. Let's preview this, and it does not work. Excellent. Oh, perfect. Auto size had to be also turned on. Okay, so now, so there are 3 things that we did. In table object, we ensured that the stretch mode is selected to SM actual height. In table row, we ensured the maximum height and minimum height is 0, and we ensured that the auto size is turned on. Okay, now let's just get everything moving over here. This is the performance review. We don't need a department. The role comes fine here. The code moves away. The role is here, and we've got a performance review. If you want to make it a little bigger, We can again come to table column 4 and make this, let's say, 14. Have we got space enough for it? I think yes. Let's make it 12, 10. Yeah. Save this, preview it, and here we are auto expanding. Now let's say I do not like this spacing, all the codes are going down and employee names already have so much space. Now to get rid of this, we simply come to table column 1, which is where the codes are, and just increase the height to say 2.4. again save it to repository, preview it, problem solved. Okay, I hope this was useful for you. Thank you very much.